Where are we going, Abraham?
We're going to...
Are we gonna go pick apples?
No.
No? Are we going to go to Woodstock, Vermont?
Yeah.
Yeah, we are. And don't be confused. You're thinking to yourself, Woodstock, oh, I know what that is. You don't. No, it's not the Woodstock you're thinking of. But is it the Woodstock with pretty leaves? Ooh.
Yeah.
Although, we're told that it's not peak season like it was supposed to be. And we do fly a very long way. So, I brought spray paint just in case. We could do copper tones. Go out there and do each leaf. What do you think?
Yeah.
I am not filled with a crowd of supporters, as you can tell.
It's good in all directions.
Wow, don't steal the American flag. We're working on the not stealing things on this trip. I can't say that it's going particularly well.
Go.
Yeah, it's beautiful. Does this go boom boom? Is this a cannon?
Yeah.
Cool.
Boom boom.
Boom boom. I don't think it shoots out flags, but it might. He's gonna get you. He's chasing you. Wait, okay, we're gonna do a selfie of us walking. We have to walk seriously, like just normal walking. Oh yeah, we are filming. No, just walking. You wanna join in on the just walking? No? You have to do inconspicuous walking. Like, not vlogging, no. Welcome back. Yesterday was a very long day. Someone small is being very naughty and just, you know, really trying everybody's patience, I gotta say. But I thought you might want to see the fabulous bed and breakfast room. Okay, try to cut you out. Don't step in a shot. Okay, can I admit I'm really sad. This fireplace does not appear to work. I can't find any way to work it. It doesn't come with any wood. I was so excited to get to have another fireplace. Yesterday's were not one. But it's a really pretty color, so that's something. And if you ever feel that wallpaper, you don't have enough of it in your life, you can come stay here and you'll be set for life.
Okay.
You're a lucky duck. Okay, he's a bossy little kid.
This is what the firemen wear.
Whoa!
One of the ambulances there.
Pretty important.
Here, I'll pick you up so you can see.
Yes, do you want to come along? I'm trying to bribe him with a cookie jar at the hotel. Are you coming? We're gonna see. Are you coming, Mr. Baby? He's probably not, let's be honest. It was so much fun that we got to see the fire truck in Montpelier? I'm not sure how we're supposed to say it. But the state capital of Vermont. And they gave him a little cute plastic fireman hat. I thought that was really sweet. It was really nice of them. They just let us come in for like 2 minutes and look at the fire truck, and he got to sit inside real quick. And it was so much fun. He had a great time, and it was so nice that they just let us take a peek. I mean, that is lovely of a fire department to do. Yeah. And he had a great time, so I really appreciated it. And he was so looking forward to it. Oh my god, he was just running all over the place. He tried to run into the street to find the fire trucks. Oh, as you can tell, he's being a little naughty. But he loved this, and this was a highlight of his day. And now he has this cute little fireman hat that he pulls over his eyes and then wanders around not being able to see, but thinking that he's a big fireman. It's pretty sweet. I don't think he is. Okay, Ben & Jerry's does have a fun little playground area, which if it hadn't just rained, we could use all the slides. Oh, and he's going down the slide, getting his toes wet. It's a good way to entertain them between tours and everything. Because today is, you know, wild time of the day. Oh my god. Oh, he's coming back for more. I love you. Should we definitely go up the hill, go to the playground. It's by the Flavor Graveyard, and let little monkeys play. Ta-da! It's okay, I can change your outfit. Should we go to the ice cream tour?
No.
Do you want to come along on our ice cream tour at Ben & Jerry's? Yeah, well, we're going to play ice cream tour and then come back and thank you, love, and play more. It's pretty fun. That is good, it's very rich. That's good. Whoa! Can you go down? I think it's really nice that they have a playground. That's awesome. It's fun to play with.
Yeah.
How fun is that? Whoa! Whoa!
Big rock.
Good job with the rock. Yeah.
Big rock.
Bad rocks get piled up?
Yeah.
Makes sense to me. Yeah. Okay, I'm not very good at the ball ladder game. I was designated the blue ball, and I can't throw the red balls either. None of them. Nope. But look at that view. Yes, my love? Hello, Lovesicle. I'm right here. This is a lovely view from this hotel. Oh yeah, let's go look at the view in the fire pit, the Brum Brum fire pit.
No.
And then we'll go throw more of our balls on the ladder.
No.
It is, this is a fun area. No?
No.
What's wrong?
No. Mom.
Okay, well let's go first over there.
No, Mom.
Oh no. I love you.
No, Mama.
They've got a little barn.
Mom.
Absolutely no stories of why this place would be haunted.
No, Mom.
Yeah. What? What's so scary? I do like all the little benches.
Oh, Mom.
Ooh, are we listening to scary ghost sounds?
Yeah.
Ooh.
Yeah, Mom.